This video is not suited for very young techie audiences. Fiverr, the ultimate microjobs platform on the internet, a haven for freelancers and side gigs income earners. It's a place where millions of buyers and sellers meet and exchange services, products, goods, and whatever else you could imagine, starting at $5 only. Hey, what's up guys? My name is Thony Barretto and I'm here right now to give you some tips on how to be successful on Fiverr, even if you don't have any tech skills. I create videos on how to make money online, affiliate marketing, and digital marketing like this one. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe right now and I will send you a notification and an update whenever I make a new video so you don't miss it out. At the end of this video, I will share with you a bonus on how to actually earn money doing the simplest task on Fiverr. It's way simpler than you can ever imagine and it's free. Be sure to watch the entire video since I will be sharing with you tips to maximize this platform. With Fiverr, you essentially advertise your service via gigs. Each gig describes a specific deliverable you will provide in exchange for a set price, starting with the words, I will. So how do you get started with Fiverr? Go to fiverr.com, click join on the upper right portion of the page using your email, confirm your email, click become a seller, complete your profile, publish your gig, share your gig on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and make sure to find groups or community to share your gig. In setting up your gigs, I would consider the following tips. Tip number 1. Do gigs that play to your strength. Tip number 2. Mimic your competition. Make your offer stand out. In business, freelance or not, competition is good. The sole presence of competition validates the market. No competition, no market. Tip number 3. Underpromise and overdeliver whenever possible. Now let's proceed in setting up your first gig. First, you need to use an eye-catching main gig image. Second, add videos to introduce yourself and your expertise. Third, sell your offer with great copy on your gig description. Fourth, upsell with packages and gig extras. Basic, standard, and premium packages. Last, set expectations with gig requirements and use the FAQ section. Use the FAQ section to proactively answer people's questions. Now that we're set up properly, we all know that we wouldn't be selling tech types of gigs. So you might be asking, Tony, how are we supposed to get started making money on Fiverr? And what services can we offer that only take around 10 minutes? I've compiled 10 non-techie gigs arranged from low-paying until high-paying. So you need to stay with me until the end of the video. The first gig is pet modeling. Whoever said pets are generally a huge expense? This doesn't have to be the case, especially if you can get them involved in your Fiverr gig. There are clients who will pay for your pet to be photographed with their logo. Take a look at this dog bursting through a logo picture, for instance. The next gig is becoming a human billboard. Strangely enough, it is possible to make money on Fiverr by writing messages on your face or body and taking a photograph for a client. Not saying this is for everyone, so you might prefer holding up a sign with the logo on it instead, or wearing a client's t-shirt with their logo on it. For instance, this person can be used as a model that requires someone with a beard to appear in their business photograph. The next gig is website user testing. Testing a website from a customer's point of view doesn't involve anything too technical at all. If you know how to browse the internet, you can be a website user tester. All this means is that you'd be checking whether a website is user-friendly, easy to navigate, nicely designed, and etc. And this is a service that won't take long. To help with this service, you can use screen capture software such as OBS to record your screen whilst you talk about the website you're looking at. It can be done with just a few clicks of the mouse. This particular software is an open source software and is free to use. You can record your screen as long as you want using this free software. It's easy to save a screen capture and send it via email to your client. The next gig is Microsoft Office Services. You'd be surprised at how many people have problems trying to get formulas to work in Excel or tables to align properly in Word. So if you're great at Microsoft Office, you could offer troubleshooting services in this area. The next gig is profile writing. If you're good with words and know how to draw attention with them, you could try your hand at profile writing for clients and help them sound amazing for their Facebook, LinkedIn, or Twitter profile. The next gig is becoming the voice-over artist. There are all sorts of clients who need all types of voices for their advertising purposes. Whether your voice sounds deep, high-pitched, or you have a broad American or posh English accent, your particular voice could be very much in demand. To start with, make a recording of your voice using your computer or phone, upload it to your profile on Fiverr, and advertise yourself as a voice-over artist. The next gig are for gaming. This is for gamers who are expert in playing games. If you're the master at well-known games such as Overwatch, Call of Duty Black Ops, World of Warcraft, or something similar, you could offer your services to get a fellow gamer up to the next level. Seriously, there are people that pay for this sort of thing. The next gig is social media promoter. Sounds technical, but it's not really. If you have a large following on Facebook or Twitter, for example, you could use this as a promotion tool for clients and send out a couple of tweets or Facebook posts to your friends or followers about their services. This works particularly well if you have a niche following, but sometimes clients just like to spread the word generally about their product. The next gig is creative writing. Do you fancy yourself as a fiction writer but haven't had a chance to make start on that novel yet? Why not get some practice in and offer creative writing services? You could create a character profile starting at $5 or write a small section of a story. And the highest paying gig among the 10 non-techie gigs is singing. So if you have a great voice and you know how to read music and have access to recording equipment, you could offer your services to sing other people's songs and charge them $85 for 1 minute and have plenty of upgrade options for longer songs. If you're a rapper, you can make some decent money in this area too. As promised, here is the bonus. Did you know that you can earn $5 in just removing the background of an image? And at the same time, you can do this in less than 1 minute? If you don't know how, here's my bonus tip for you. You don't need any expensive softwares like Adobe Photoshop Elements or Corel PaintShop Pro or any training or any other photo editing skills. We are here right now at remove.bg website. I will show you a short demonstration and how easy it is and how quick it is. So the website says remove image background 100% automatically, and it's for free. So right now I have two photos, simple background and a difficult background, and I'm ready a timer. So now we go back to the web page. I will start the timer and drop my image. So now it's finished. As you can see, it's very good. It's removed very well. So it only took around 19 seconds. So we tried with a simple background, and now we try with the other one. So now I will restart the timer and go back to the web page, go back to my picture, and drop the most difficult one. So as you can see, there are some minor editing that would be done here, but it was very quick. It took only 20 seconds to remove the background. But can you see what is wrong with these gigs and side hustles? Yes, when you stop doing the service, you will not get paid. And one more thing, you also need to spend a lot of your time in doing the service to earn more. What if I introduce you to a team that will hold your hand and guide you through the step-by-step process in earning passive incomes? A passive income is a type of income that comes automatically to your bank account when you're with your family, traveling on vacation, or while you're having dinner dates with your wife. This is what helped me right now in solving my financial situations a few months back. Now, I'm living the life that I've dreamed of and spending most of my time enjoying the laptop lifestyle. Make sure to click the first link under the description of this video to start with your online business. You will be taken to another one of my videos explaining what this is all about. If you found value in this video, let me know in the comment below, and if you want particular topic you want me to discuss in my next video, let me know also in the comments section below. Press the like button as it helps to grow the channel. Hit the subscribe button for more videos like this one, and so that you don't miss it out. This is Tony Barretto signing out, and I'll see you on the next video.